If you're watching this video, you've probably been hit with an ADA website lawsuit, and you're not alone. Last year, over 4,000 businesses were sued for having websites that didn't meet ADA compliance standards. Now, these lawsuits are presented in such a way that makes them appear to be started by visually impaired people who encounter so many accessibility errors in browsing a website that they decide to file. But that's just for appearances. In reality, all these cases are driven by ADA law firms that mass file them against businesses just like yours. Their plaintiffs are actually paid contractors. Our ADA analysts review all the cases that are filed each day to detect any changes in how more than 48 law firms target websites to file against. Through our research, we've identified a few guidelines to help quickly resolve these cases with the best possible outcome while protecting against copycat lawsuits. So here's what you need to know. First, there's no such thing as a quick fix for ADA compliance. If you're thinking about installing one of these screen overlays, better known as widgets, don't. Last year alone, over 1,000 companies added widgets and still got sued. In fact, these tools often function as a green light for ADA law firms to file. Next, don't rush to full WCAG compliance. A full accessibility remediation project can be time-consuming and very costly. And here's the thing. Half the fixes won't even impact the outcome of your case or prevent future lawsuits. Instead, focus on the high-impact changes that matter most in your case. And finally, start by fixing the accessibility errors your case is based on. These ADA law firms follow very specific guidelines when selecting websites to sue. By finding the errors your case is based on, you can fix the right issues, settle strategically, and future-proof your business against copycat lawsuits. To learn how these guidelines apply to your situation, schedule a complimentary ADA briefing with 216 Digital. We'll break down how and why you are targeted and give you a clear, cost-effective plan to resolve the issues from your case while providing the safeguards necessary to ensure you never get targeted again. To schedule your ADA briefing, go to www.adabriefing.com or scan the QR code on this screen.